Hey everyone, today we're going to make these easy banana cake bars with cream cheese frosting. So first you want to add 3 medium mashed bananas and make sure that they're very ripe. You'll get the most flavor out of very ripe bananas. Then add in just a box of yellow cake mix, just add the dry cake mix. And 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and 3 large eggs, and try to get the eggs near room temperature. They'll mix better that way. Then add a 1/4 cup of melted butter and kind of cool it down a little bit before you add it. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and you can use canola oil if you have that. Then 1/2 cup of sour cream. Try to get that near room temperature as well. A 1/2 cup of milk, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then just take an electric mixer and mix it up really well. And also I will put the link to the printable recipe in the description as well. And I always like to scrape around the sides of the bowl and then mix again just to make sure it's all mixed really well. And at this point, you can add in some chopped nuts if you want. About a cup of chopped nuts will work. I'm allergic to nuts, so I did not add that to my banana bars. So then just add this batter to a 13 by 9 inch pan and make sure that the pan is sprayed with some nonstick spray. And you're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then you just want to cool it on a cooling rack until it's completely cooled before you add any of the frosting. So for the frosting, you're going to add 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and then 8 ounces of cream cheese, and then mix that up until it's smooth. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 3 cups of confectioner's sugar. You can add it all at once, or you can just add a little bit at a time, and make sure to add a pinch of salt as well. And 1 teaspoon of milk, and then mix that all up until it is smooth. And then once it's all mixed up, you're going to add it to your banana bars, and just make sure that everything is all cooled down at this point, because if the banana bars are too warm, it's going to kind of melt the frosting. I hope you love this recipe. Make sure to keep this in the fridge because it has cream cheese frosting on it. You can eat these for dessert, for breakfast if you want to, or even a snack. Okay, y'all. Happy baking. See you next time.